Hi everybody, it's Martin Sadler from Dent Remover. Today's repair is on a BMW 240i, the dents on a rear quarter panel. I'll show you it now.
Right, we'll have a closer look at the damage now. You can see it's over the body line. It looks like it's had a double hit. Usually this kind of damage is made when a car door opens, hits your car, and then it kind of bounces. You can also see here a slight ripple. I'm going to start by glue pulling the majority of the dent out, see how it looks, and then finish the rest off with a flat bar from inside. So the reason why I decided to use the glue pulling system first is because I'll be able to pull the dent out a lot quicker and cleaner. Basically, when glue pulling damage like this, you want to be concentrating on the highest area, and that's the body line. But in order to successfully pull the body line out, you need to pull above and below, because there's a lot of pressure stopping the body line from coming out. So this is why we tap it back in. By carefully tapping in certain areas, we can relieve the pressure, and this helps us pull the damage out better.
Okay, so let's take a quick look at how far we've got with the glue pulling. We've minimised the damage by quite a lot, and all we've got now is we've just got these two small little dents on the body line, and I'm going to start going through the back bit now.
By using metal bars like this, we can ease the dents out on the body line. Usually on rear arch areas it is quite difficult to get to, because this is where two metal skins join together, and it's often glued in this area as well. Making small pushes from the inside with the bar, and then we're just finally blending the area back to how it should be. Here we are, this is the finished results. We're looking at it with the line board. This will give us a detailed view as it highlights any imperfections on the panel, and I think it's come out pretty well.
Okay, we're all done now. I glue pulled the majority of this, and then I finished it off with bars. There's no paint, no filler. There you go, cheers.